Now, what I'm trying to do here, I may have one separate table, right, where competitor price for each of the product line may be written. Okay, separate table I have, and price of the competitor, like product line we have, like product line for this product line, competitor price we have in a separate table. But unfortunately, we don't have such tables. We can create such table by using this transform data. We'll go back to transform data. We'll create a new table here by saying enter data here, enter data. Okay. We'll create a new table here, first column. I need a two column, so added here plus mark. The first column, I will double click and edit. I say uh, product name. The second column will be the price we have. And the first product, I will say classic. Okay. Classic car. Okay. Some of the product line I will add now. Just I'm giving random some products. Okay. I say motor cycle. There is no space, I think. Motorcycle. Okay. Third column is not required. Cut that. Okay. Uh, I say 300. Then I may have one more product line like planes. I say 5,000. I may have ships. I say 3,000. I just say trains. Okay. Um, 500. 5,000. Like this. Simply I'm giving some values, and I will give the table as a competitor name for this one. Competitor price. Table name. Click on OK. So that one table will be created. New table will be created for your visualization. I'll close and apply, so that we'll go to that particular table. The new table will appear here now, competitor price, right? So there is no relationship. You can check the relationship, like this is the table we can check. Here we can check the relationship, like here relationship model. There are three tables we have. One is like measures we created, one is like competitor price, and the original data I have. I will not be creating any relationship between them, like product line and the product name which we given here, because uh, when I create a relationship, it will take more time for the execution. Okay, it will create a lot of time for the execution. For that reason, what I will do, I will create a new column in a sales data. I will extract this information like price information by matching the product name and product line in my data. How to do that one? I will come back to the visuals report. We'll go back to this one, sales data table. Okay, selected sales data table. There we can enter a new, okay, table tools we have here. New column we'll select. The new column I would like to create. So far we created only the measures. Right now we are creating a entire column itself. Name of the column I say competitor underscore price. That's the name of the column. For that we need to have a lookup value formula, lookup value. In lookup value, first it asks like a result column. Result column is nothing but in a competitor table we are referring a price, right? That will be final output by matching what in a competitor table, by matching product name with the sales table product line, right? So I just write directly product line. So product line, these to be matched. In case one more column to be matched, like second column in a competitor table and second column in here to be matched, you can use comma and you can match them. No need to match, only one column, so close the bracket, enter. Okay, we have been executed, so it created one. Okay, competitor price column is created. You can check that one how it exactly. If you go to data, Yes, it extract a values, right? Based on the like here also classic cars, trucks and buses are there, but here we are not there. It is not there in a competitor column, so that it is a empty. For other, it extracted a value, right? 2000, 5000, all the values extracted. Okay, in that case, I need to edit that particular column, like that particular table. How can we edit? Again, we'll go back to Home tab, go to the transform data. Okay, which table to be edited? The competitor price table to be edited. So left hand side, I select that competitor table. Then I go back to the here source. I will just editing that source. Okay, just editing that source. I will just add them like a train is added. Like I just add trucks and buses. Just give the value. And one more thing I just wanted to add. Uh, Vintage cars one section is there. Okay, I'll just add their values. Okay, just say okay so that it will be updated table. Close and apply. Now we'll wait for changes to happen. Yes, right. So that as the original table changes, here some of the things still we are not having, like for which one it is. Okay, motorcycles. I think spelling mistake is there. We may be given cycle. Like S may be missing, because of that it will be happen. You can change that and you can get it. Okay, only for that I think we are not getting a, yeah, motorcycles we are not getting because of spelling error. Okay, it has to be exact match. Okay, then only you will get it, right? So motorcycles we are not getting because of the uh, spelling error. It maybe we can check that one again. We can go back and like transform data just to edit them. Here, yeah, cycle we have given. So how can we edit? Double click on that source. Okay, I double click on that motor cycles. Save that, close and apply. Now hope we'll get it done with all. Alright, so we are getting that motorcycle. Mm, M capital CYCLES. What happened here then? CYCLES. M should be motor. It should be mortar. It become MOR. It become, right. So you can change that one and you can get it, right. So no issues. Yeah. How this lookup column works, I wanted to show that one. So we have been shown that, right, how exactly this lookup formula works. Okay, just we have to select from the other table which column to be referred by matching which are the column from the two different tables. Okay, like this we can match them with the different tables and we can extract a value from one table. Okay, this is about a lookup value formula like column.